What is up, people? I know it's been a while since my last video, so welcome back to another episode. I just got back from my vacation, so yeah. Unfortunately, during the 2 weeks I was away, and Jane was supposed to go into the shop to get herself fixed up, she couldn't go in due to unforeseen circumstances and stuff, but put that aside. Today I'm gonna bring her in, I'm gonna get her all fixed up, and I'm gonna go in together with my friend because he's gonna get his car out and I'm gonna put Jane in. So yeah, we're kind of taking turns in that sense. But yeah, so right now I'm just waiting for my friend before we head in together. So yeah, cue the time lapse. So we're here at the shop. Don's brother's car, Cliff's, is gonna do some work as well, and then Jane's right here. So yeah, okay. So I just talked to the boss on what to do to Jane. So Jane's gonna get her front and rear fixed and her rims sprayed as well. It's gonna look all good. And here is Don's car. This is Don, and the only CU80 in Singapore, and he got it painted in white. Previously it was gunmetal grey, and yeah, so here's the car. CU80 front end conversion, the only approved one. Has the brake lights, which is pretty rare. Shaved the front bumper a little bit. He also got his interior done, got that wing sprayed as well. I'm gonna show you guys the interior now. So yeah, he got the dash wrapped. It's pretty nice. It looks OEM actually. It's like a synthetic leather. It's pretty good. The glove box wrapped as well. The passenger seat and the rear done as well. Looks pretty nice. And the headliner as well. So we're gonna go back in Don's car later. We're gonna see how the car drives. Don's car, all of our S13 in Singapore running CA18. Woo! We're gonna push horsepower already, huh? He's gonna get his suspension done tomorrow. I'm gonna lower the car because right now it's very high. So yeah, he's gonna lower the car tomorrow with new suspension. That's his phone. I mean, it's an iPhone. You guys can tell it's how high it is. There's also a GTR that the shop is doing right now, so it's pretty nice. It's a full GTR Johor team. So there's another GTR in front. It looks dope. It's a freaking clean GTR. No idea what this guy is doing. He's probably doing a full Nismo kit. So yeah, this guy, oh yeah, holy crap, looks awesome. Freaking nice GTR. So Don's checking his car out right now, and then we'll move off to get some other things done on his car. Don's first startup in a while. Sounds dope as. Who say the CA18 doesn't sound good? Alright, so we just got to the petrol station, pumping petrol for Don's car before we head back out into Singapore. And yeah, the car looks awesome in the sunlight. Just gonna show you guys right now. Looks beautiful. He's just gonna change the suspension tomorrow and lower the front a little bit, and then it would look perfect. So yeah, the car's looking all nice, and we're gonna head out soon. Alright guys, so I'm actually back home right now. Dawn and I couldn't make it to the vinyl shop in time, so we're gonna be going down tomorrow instead. And I guess I'm gonna end this really short episode for today. I'm gonna follow him down to get his vinyl cut out tomorrow, and at the same time he's gonna do a suspension swap as well, so I might record that. So yeah, thank you for watching this episode. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.